please tell me.
So this one's the Dell G7. So that's their higher end gaming laptops. So this one has the i7, which is the highest end processor for gaming right now. It also has a 2070, which is going to be good enough for higher resolutions. And it's in a laptop, so that's pretty powerful for it. It also has a 300 hertz screen, which means the screen will refresh 300 times per second. So if you're playing games where responding to it or quick actions is important, that's where it's going to make a difference. You do have less storage in this one. You only have 500 gigs, but you can increase that. If you go underneath and you put a screwdriver, you can take off the bottom and put a new hard drive in. It also has 16 gigs of RAM, so it's double the RAM of that computer. And you get the whole package in the laptop form factor. However, when you go into a laptop, the performance you get out of a laptop is going to be less than a desktop.
What kind of games we can play on this one?
Anything.
We can play anything.
Yeah.
It's gonna work fine.
Yeah. There's not going to be a question on what won't work.
Okay. This is the top of the line.
Yeah.
And it's called, what is it called?
The Dell G7.
Dell G7.
Yeah, it's right on the computer there.
Okay. Alright, so that's